Hi, I'm Taylor from Great Escape RV, and today we're going to be viewing the Salem Villa 40F Den. In the living area, you've got two full pull-out sofas that have lots of room for extra sleeping, as well as a recliner chair. In the entertainment area, you've got the Furrion soundbar with Bluetooth, HDMI, and USB capabilities, as well as the electric fireplace. Above us, we've got the ceiling fan for perfect ventilation with the AC right next to it. We've got lots of storage in the kitchen, perfect for garbage, all of your dishes. Residential grade microwave, oven, 3-burner cooktop, residential sized refrigerator with tons of storage, big freezer and fridge combo. Right next to that, we've got the oversized pantry with tons of room for all of your needs. Beside it, we've got the dinette, perfect for entertaining. And around the corner, you'll come into the nice large bathroom with extra tall shower, huge vanity, tons of storage, single sink, foot flush toilet. This leads into the master bedroom, which has a full wardrobe on one side, full dresser on the other side, king size bed right here on the slide with above storage, reading lights. Now for the outside features, we've got a sliding patio glass door at one end underneath your power awning, as well as an outside shower, outdoor speakers that connect to the radio inside, and a separate door for your bedroom entrance. Thanks for viewing the 40F Den with me today.
Out west, east coast, campfire, wiener roast, sunsets, river fishing, falling stars, first kisses, mountaintops, northern lights, moose track, fireflies, Great Escape RV.
Let your escape plans start online at greatescapervcanada.com.